Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your life. Friends, my today's video is very creative, unique and beautiful in itself because in this video I'm going to share very beautiful, exquisite and eye-catchy design ideas of customized hand embroidery gifts patterns. So friends, before going into the further details of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you're watching my video for the very first time, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And not only this guys, watch my content on daily basis so that you could remain notified with latest updates and uploads of my channel with the recent advancements of fashion world and creative ideas. So friends, how you can use these very beautiful design ideas of hand embroidery to gift your loved ones. You can give these gifts to your friends on some sort of normal events, and even you can also make customized orders for your clients if you have start up a new business, and especially as an embroidery artist. These are absolutely eye-catchy and attractive design ideas. And not only this, you can make these patterns for a wide range of designing your home. Like you can make these customized pieces of art, handwork to decorate your wall art, to make it a very beautiful pieces. Even you can hang them onto your different patterns of house, your room, your dining room, your living room, your guest rooms as well. And not only this, you can design these very beautiful 3D modern inspired hand embroidery patterns, girl embroidery, hair embroidery or doll embroidery for designing a number of dress patterns like girls dresses, like baby girl frocks. Like you can also design these onto your girls accessories, like you can design your face mask, your mobile covers, your glasses covers, your bags, your vanity bag, your makeup bag, your cosmetic bag, your everyday bags, and many more creativities as per your choices. So if you really like my design ideas, then don't forget to like my video and comment below my video so that I could get to know what you feel about my content and what I want to share with you in my latest upcoming videos. So stay blessed and thank you so much. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care.